Welcome back to part 3 of our little tutorial on SketchUp with our pencil box, just drawing it, and now we're going to attempt to put in some important dimensions. So from here I'm going to go up and select dimensions in the tools drop down menu, and then I'm going to look for some important dimensions. First of all, the length, 235, the height. Now it's important that we select only the size from our base, which was 46, and then at the back here I'm going to put in the dimension of the entire width, 126, and also from a manufacturing point of view, just the width of our piece. We don't want to put in too many dimensions as it clouds the image, and sometimes if you've got an image where you have lots of dimensions it can be quite confusing. So as I said, our height, our width, our depth. You may like to also put a dimension on any variation you've done to the lid across the top, or how far you want your lid to come out of the box. You also may like to put one on the base as well. That's really just up to your individual teacher, but for us the main parts are the height and the width and the depth, and perhaps just the height of our front piece of timber here as well, exactly so we know that our front piece is 36 millimeters. So from here what we want to do is try and save this item into our design folio. Now, one thing I probably neglected to do at the start was to come up here and actually save a copy as we went along. So for my purposes I'm just going to put it onto the desktop and just call it pencil box 3, or in your case pencil box 1, and I'm just going to save that there, so that's saved to my desktop. So from here, for me to import it or export it into my Google document, my folio, I'm just going to come down and I can choose 2D graphic. Now, our drawing in our portfolio, our drawing section tells or talks about isometric drawings, and your teacher will explain that as we come up to that section. So we want to present our drawing as an isometric drawing if we can. So the way to do that is to come into SketchUp, back to our design, and go to Camera, Standard Views, and then down to ISO. Select that, and it'll present our drawing as an isometric drawing. Again, Camera, Standard Views, ISO. Okay, so once you've selected that, it should depict our drawing in an isometric view. Then we can come up to File, Export 2D Graphic, and I'm going to save that on my desktop, pencil box 3 2D graphic, export, and hopefully I'll find that on my desktop. Pencil box 2D graphic. I can open that up. Now, it seems that you have to take this through Paint. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to go Open, Paint. Just take that through Paint and then select. So you just want to select the extremities there, take it down, So you get all of that in, and then that'll open up the copy. So I'm going to go copy, come to my folio. Now the little drawing under number 3, isometric drawing, we just want to select that, delete it, then hopefully right click and paste our drawing in. And if you've been good to the digital gods, there's your drawing. The only thing that I can't see there at the moment are the dimensions. So I might have to go back and just have a bit of a look at that. But that is the way that you import your drawing into your Google Docs. Thank you.